Welcome to Dojo. My name is Q Harper, and this is a level 1 waving drill. We're going to be learning what is called a full or a 8-point wave. Let's go ahead and get into it. So waving is one of those techniques that I love dearly. It's one of the first techniques I ever learned. So I'm gonna go ahead and start you off. Whoop. All right, so we're here. I'm gonna show you what we're doing first. So basically the bottom line is I want us to get to where we can do a full roll all the way through. A full is starting from one point of your fingertips to get through to the other. Going over our wave form, if I'm out like this, my arms are not completely straight out to my sides. Okay, they're actually, again, they are in front of me. That allows my shoulders to just rotate in a safe place, and you're gonna need that shoulder rotation. Waving can be difficult if you don't understand what you're doing, right? Not just the physical part, but the visual part that you're trying to portray when you do a wave. If I'm doing a wave, I'm trying to look wave or organic, fluid, right? Where have you ever seen waves? The number one answer that I get when I ask that question is at the beach or in the water. You see the waves in the water. And even though the wave is much bigger than what we think it is, you're usually just paying attention to the top. You're just watching the top of the wave go over. If I go up and start my wave, you're actually just watching the top of my wave. All right, so that's the part that we're gonna focus on. All right, so we're gonna start this wave, just like the wave in the water, it starts going up before it crashes down. All right, which is the part that we're usually paying attention to. So we're gonna go up on 8 from count 5, 6, 7, 8. So we come down, hit that first point for 1. So we take our full wave and we break it down into parts. We're gonna switch from here to go 2. My next one is my double. Okay, why? Because it's the only part that bends after that. You can't wave in non-bendy parts. So you have to focus on the parts you can bend. Okay, this is an illusion that we're creating, this fluid motion. Your body's not that fluid. It's actually really clanky. It has a lot of straight parts that can't bend. So we have to kind of put some dance magic on. So we're gonna go up 8.1, switching point 2. Your elbow can't go straight up for here, okay? So you actually have to turn in your shoulder socket to bring your elbow up high. We're gonna switch from 2 to 3. Boom. Okay, all I did was take the high point, drop it low, drop it low. Sorry. Take that high point, we dropped it, now we're gonna switch. Boom. That is our third point. 1, 2, 3. We're gonna do the same thing. Fourth point, we're gonna go to our chest. Boom. We have to drop it. You can't keep it up there because then, I don't know, this looks weird. You have to drop your shoulder and bring up your chest. Boom. We're at 4, so we're in the middle. Now we're going out, dropping that chest. And then as we drop our chest, that shoulder's coming up. Okay, so let's walk everything in done so far. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 5. Now we're doing the same thing we did on this side, but in reverse for our other side. So dropping shoulder, raising our elbow, boom. That is 6. Switching, boom, 7, and then letting it all go, boom, 8. All right, let's go all the way through, full wave. And I call this a jagged wave. I don't know if that's like the official name of it, because it just looks like it looks jagged to me. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, that's your full jagged wave. Now we got to bring it back. Can't just, you can, but I want you to be like awesome. So we're gonna bring it back. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that's gonna be our full jagged drill. Go on for my wave, just so you can see it from the side. Then go down. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. Bring back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, here we go. We're gonna run it to music. Here we go. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, we are kicking that tempo up a little bit. Go for it. Count you in, count you through. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Nice. Good job, good job. I'm assuming you did great because you're here with me. Counting you in, I'm not counting through. 6, here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, that felt good. That part out. Good move on. If that didn't feel so good, you can feel a little like you used to feel right. Pause it, practice, and then get back to last speed up that we're healing. We'll go a little quicker. Counting you in, counting through. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, we're gonna do that one more time. 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. So now we're at the part where we need to make that jagged wave smooth. We need to iron it out, okay? It can be a little harder because now we need to hit those same points while continuously moving. It's much easier to stay on your beat when you're stopping. And now that we're trying to hit those same beats, it requires way more control and just a little more fluidity, okay? So one tip is I want you to tense the muscles in your arms as you do this. You should already be kind of feeling the flex when you hit those points. If now we're gonna hit it on the purpose, because now you have to hold it. Just slap it. Don't like strain your muscles and give yourself a brain or something. And don't lock your muscles. But you do need to feel your muscles tighten a little bit so you can control it. You don't go too fast. The same thing, remember, we go up for 8, and then we're gonna curve and drop. We're trying to hit our points on time. So we're going slow. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Going back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Now with this last roll, I am going to use a little bit more with my hand. We'll get into that a little bit later. But remember, you're still on your curve that wave, just like in the ocean. So we're controlling our weight. Again, that fluid motion, continuous motion, a little bit of strain. We're gonna go ahead, we'll try to do this with music. We're only gonna do 2 speeds this time. Somewhat mid-tempo slow to mid-tempo fast. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, This time, I'm counting you in. I'm not counting you through. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Even if you're not counting out loud, maybe count this in your head. Or I will sometimes cheat by adding a little bounce to our body. So my body is kind of keeping me on tempo. You should know if you're going too fast, if you reach the minute too soon. That's my main marker that helps you stay on track. Bring you a little bit faster. Count it in, count it through. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, breathe. Breathe again. 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, you made it through. Good stuff. Please make sure you practice. Make sure you check out the rest of the tutorials and classes at Dangerous Dojo. If you're getting training, go tell a friend. And if you're really dope, record a video of yourself doing the drills and tag us at Dangerous Dojo. God bless. Peace out.